Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I got the F100 in the background. Hey, since I'm here, give you a quick little update. We've been working on this door. Here it is. I used some fiberglass filler to fill it in, some Bondo. Still working on it. Body work, man. It's slow process and it's boring as I don't know what. They can't make a video on it. So today, actually, I'm working on my F150. I ordered these. Let me get the paper here. It's a 2-piece auto ratcheting straps. They look like this. If you pull the little yellow thingamabob, the ratchet strap, automatically comes in and out. And then, of course, it ratchets. But yeah, they mount in the bed of the F150. There's already spots there. Some of the reviews I saw said you may have to elongate these holes. Maybe that's an older video because, I'll turn on the light there. These are already oval shaped. So maybe you don't have to do that on these. Got them off of Amazon. Just happened to be scrolling through and saw them and said, you know what? Instead of having my ratchet straps bounce around in the back seat of the truck, let's have them permanently mounted. Now, on the F150, mine is a 2018. I don't know if you can see. They'll mount right here. I'm actually going to have to enlarge this hole. All the trucks I've seen online, on Amazon, that have these mounted in there, got the spray-in bed liner. I'm not interested in doing that, really. I just kept the old factory plastic liner. But you have the hole here for mounting one, and there's actually one up there. Can't hardly see it because it's dark. Let's shed some light on it. And there's one in all 4 corners. So technically you could put 4 of them in there. These come in a 2-pack. Like I say, they are normally like 80 bucks. I got them on sale for 60. Hey, I thought it'd be a good investment. So the first thing I'm going to do is I got this thing. It comes with all the bolts. It comes with the Torx bit that goes to the bolts. That's a nice little feature. And in fact, it came with 2 spare bolts. So if you lose 1 or 2, you got spares. But anyway, like I say, the first thing I said I was going to tap it out. I'm not going to tap it out first. First, I'm going to set it up there, and I kind of eyeball it, I guess, and draw around it so I can take my oscillating tool and cut out the plastic around it. Like I say, if you've got a spray-in bed liner, you won't have to do this part because it'll mount just straight to the wall. For some reason, this is bigger than the hole. It happens. So let's slide right up on in here. And I'm gonna see if possibly, can I get you in here to focus? Yeah, it's pretty close anyway. If I could tilt it back just a smidge more, maybe. I'm looking at the screen on the GoPro. And it's got 4 holes. And of course, these plastic liners are, they're plastic liners. These 2 holes are covered on this thing. So I'm going to set it up here and look through the holes. Now, I know y'all can't see it, but I am going to kind of mark the outside edge, both sides, and across the top, across the bottom. This I did not mark all that spiffy. Spiffy, that's a technical term. But as you can see my mark, how much bigger the bracket is for this thing than the hole on the bed. So I I don't think it's that big a deal myself, so I don't mind cutting it. If you're wearing headphones, look out. This thing's noisy. There's one. Ta-da! Be careful of the molten plastic. And I'm gonna install mine with the little hooks up. That's what most of the pictures show and whatnot. Okay, yeah, that'll work. So next we will get my tap. And I put a little tap magic on it, so. And I'm just chasing the holes. They're threaded, but they got paint in them also. So I'm just chasing the threads. That is a M6 by 0.125 tap. Now, we'll get us a couple of these bolts. Take our strap here. And I put one in the hole first. Let's see here. Just kind of sort of get it started. Hope my mic's not messing up on you guys. Okay. I'll get this opposite corner right here. Couple more screws. And I'm kind of shoving it around a little bit, trying to get them screws to line up real good. And if you cross thread it, hey, you got nature's Loctite. It'll hold it forever. And I'm gonna run them down just a little bit at a time. That one bottomed. That one bottomed. That one bottomed. That one bottomed. And I will go over them one more time. Woo, good and tight. And there it is. It leaves it slack. So that's how she gets installed. Now all I gotta do is the other side. So hang on a second, we'll get her did. There we go, we got the second one in. I played with it just a little bit and figured, hey, I can loop it right here and hook it down so my strap ain't flopping and banging around. So got both of them mounted. Let me find my tripod. This is what I'm thinking. I don't know how well y'all can see black truck, black thing, black everything. But it looks to me like essentially you can hang your thing down here and pull out as much. Good Lord. I guess I should have read and seen how long these things were. But yeah, woohoo, they're long. And the hooks, now these aren't 2,000-pound ratchet straps. These are like 500-pound ratchet straps. So don't go towing your car with them. But they got this cool little spring-loaded hook. Don't know how long that will actually last. How often do I actually use them? Not a whole bunch. I do take them to the, take my gas cans to the gas station and whatnot. But you can hook them right there on the thingamabob there, or down here at the old factory hooky loop thing. And then I guess come over here and let's do this one-handed. Hit the old button and she sucks it right in. Then you can, so that's how she's done. Got both of them mounted. I'm probably going to order 2 more for the other front pieces. I just remember when I bought my air compressor, a bigger air compressor, I got an old one. Right there's my old one. I took it and I didn't have these, and I only had 2 of these 500-pound ratchet straps. So I looped it through, and by the time I got home, I was down to 1. So this will help drastically, I hope, if I ever have to do anything like that again. Like I say, check them out on Amazon. I think they're probably going to be worth it. I don't have to worry about 2 more ratchet straps bouncing around the back of my truck for tying down 2x4s or whatever the heck else. But anyway, that's a wrap for that one. Quick, short little video. I do appreciate I appreciate everybody watching. Thank you so much for watching the videos. Please like and subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow, get more stuff out there. I like doing little things like this anyway. Not expensive. 60 bucks is getting kind of up there. I consider anything under $100 not very expensive. I'm not rich. I don't get paid for doing this stuff, so it's something I will use. Anyway, I'm rambling. Thank y'all for watching. Please like, subscribe, share the videos. Don't forget to tell your mom and them. And oh yeah, if you ain't doing something, you ain't doing nothing.